Safety first, kids. This is not a sponsored video. Awesome. What's up, guys? Back out at the skate park with the Arrma GORGON. Just got this new truck, just testing it out, see what it's like on the skate park, see if it holds up or not. Just realised I was on 50%, so it's actually a lot more powerful. I put it on 50% the other day. Got great air control for a two-wheel drive car because it's got such big wheels. Oh, crashed it again. Whoa, nearly smashed it. Try that again. Oh, you can proper send this car. Oh. Oops. This will probably not do a backflip, but I'm just going to attempt it anyway, just to see how far it can get. Okay, that's definitely not going to get it. I'm going to try a front flip. Oh, that's bad. Yeah, definitely hasn't got enough power. Might try that front flip one more time from all the way up top. Oh, that's bad. But like I said, I will definitely be coming back here again, but with a new system in it. I'm probably going to go for the Hobby Wing Max 10 G2. Probably a 4000 kV or something, so I can get some proper good wheel spin. Ooh, hit the bar. Ooh, hit the bar. Ooh. Proper little beast of a car. I might be able to get a backflip doing this way. Maybe not. But yeah, this is a great little car. I absolutely love this car. If I had one of these when I was younger, when I was like 10, 8, something like that, as a first RC car, this thing's amazing because you can power it up, turn it into an absolute beast. Ooh. But like I said, just give it to a kid and not be scared he's going to break it. Because this thing takes an absolute kicking. Oh, J.D.Y.B managed to do a wheelie. Oh, J.D.Y.B managed to do a wheelie. That's awesome. back home, guys. Yeah, battery went on the phone. That sucks. Really wanted to take it off the big ramp, but I will have it out again with the Hobby Wing Max 10 G2 4000 kV 3S and 4S compatible. So yeah, that would be awesome. And so if you want to see that, guys, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell button, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Peace. Bye. Hey, again.